For the first step, we're going to head over to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. Once you're on it, you want to find out what's taking up the most CPU, memory and disk usage on your computer. The way to find out a specific one, so for example memory, I'm going to click on memory, and then the applications that take up the most memory are going to appear first. So if you're not using these applications as of right now, and you want to close them, you want to click on it and then click on End Task, which will save up your memory. After you do that, we're going to head over to the Startup Apps tab, and then you want to disable all the apps that you don't want to start when your computer turns on. The way to do that is by clicking on the app and then click on Disable. And then the status would have changed to disabled. Do that for every app that you don't need. For the second step, we're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. Once we're on it, we're going to click on any service and then click on S on our keyboard, and then we want to look for a service called sysmain. This one right here. Once we find sysmain, we're going to double click on it. Then you want to change the startup type to disabled. And then you want to click on stop. And then click on OK. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it, and then click on yes. Once you're on this, you want to copy Registry Path 1, which I'll leave down below in the description. So I'm just going to copy this, and then you're going to paste it right here. But first, I'm just going to delete this, where it says computer, then I'm going to paste it. Click on enter, which will take us down to this page right here. Once you're on this, you want to double click on clear page file at shutdown, and then you want to change value data to 1, and click on OK. After you do that, you want to copy Registry Path 2 into this box right here. Or you could just manually find it yourself by going to Computer HK Local Machine and just follow everything else up here. Now once you're on this, you want to double click on Start right here, and then you want to change the value data to 4 and click on OK. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in sysdm.cpl and click on Enter. Once you're on this, we're going to click on Advanced, and then we're going to click on Settings under Performance right here. And then you want to click on Adjust for Best Performance and click on OK. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in powercfg.cpl and click on enter. Once you're on this, you want to select high performance. You may even have ultimate performance if you click on the arrow right here and then click on ultimate performance. But if you don't have any of these, then you could just stay on balance. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in defragment and optimize drives. Click on it. Once you're on it, you can do this for all your drives if you want. First, I'm going to start with my C drive. I'm going to click on optimize. You can do this for all of your other drives. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in disk cleanup. Click on it. Again, you can repeat this for all of your drives. First, I'm going to do my C drive, click on OK. And then you want to make sure that everything here is highlighted, and then click on clean up system files. And then select the same drive again, click on OK. Once you're on this, you want to make sure that everything here is highlighted again, and then click on OK. And then click on delete files. You can repeat that step for all of your other drives. Once you complete everything in this video, restart your computer, then your usage will be lowered.